Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create a stunning Canva cover design in just a few easy steps and in under 2 minutes. To begin, choose a high-quality image featuring a subject or character and position it at the center of your design for the best composition. Next, select a stylish shape of your choice and place it over the character. Adjust the border size to around 70 or 80, depending on what works best for your design. Then, make the center of the shape transparent, add a border color, and apply a gradient effect for a more artistic touch. In this example, I'll be using a pistachio and yellow gradient to complement the character's t-shirt. Now, duplicate the main image and position it precisely over the original. Remove the background from the duplicated image, then slightly reduce its width from either the left or right side. This step helps achieve the perfect Canva cover design effect. And that's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comments what Canva techniques you'd love to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.